Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a stunning 3D aquarium painting on wooden coaster using clay and glue gun. This is a fun and easy project that anyone can do, and the end result is a beautiful piece of art that you can display anywhere in your home. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need a wooden coaster, air dry clay, acrylic paints, paint brushes, rolling pin, and glue gun. First, let's make the fish for the aquarium. You can visually follow these steps as it's hard to voice it out. I visualized it as a fish which is jumping, so I wanted it to have a curved body, and hence I'm basing it on the paint bottles. You can add any other decorations you want, like rocks, plants. I'm making these rocks and some lotus leaves with dry clay, and I have some plants, plastic plants, so I thought I'll stick it with a glue gun. If you have mini shells, you can add them as well. Once the clay pieces are dry, paint them with acrylic paint to give them some color and texture. You can paint them to look like rocks, plants, or even fish. Let them paint dry completely before you stick it with a glue gun. Now it's time to assemble your 3D aquarium. Start by using the glue gun and gluing the clay pieces onto the wooden coaster. Make sure to arrange them in a way that looks natural and realistic. And there you have it, your very own 3D aquarium on wooden coaster with clay. This is such a fun and unique way to create a piece of art that you can display anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and creative painting projects like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.